Okay, you guys, so starting off freshly for the new week, my son is being a little stinker. We are going to go to the place and donate it. So we are donating 5 boxes this time. So we got these 4 right here, and then we got that one. So we're just going to donate it so we got more room to put more piles of boxes to donate. But I just wanted to share with you guys my progress of getting rid of things and donating it. So pretty excited about that. So we're going to go start loading these in the car to get rid of. What do you think?
Good. Do we leave in here?
No, we're going to take them and donate them.
Well, they're not no leave in there?
We're going to give them to somebody else who wants them.
Why?
Because we don't want it and they might want it. Is that okay?
This is an ornament?
I don't think so.
I see.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am sharing with you guys the stuff that I'm working on this week. Today is Wednesday for my house cleanup video, and one thing that I really need to do is go through my daughter's clothes. As you guys know, I like to buy off season. I always buy stuff off clearance. That's how I shop. I just kind of guess what size they're going to be in. So I've been saving up since we found out we were having a girl. I've been saving up clothes, and a lot of you guys have been seeing it, but I went crazy at Old Navy one day, and I did buy a bunch of stuff. I did buy stuff for Ben too, but what I'm going to end up doing is taking all the tags off of her clothes right now, and I'm going to put them in, and I'm going to wash them because I need onesies. And I'm not sure what I have. Now, I did keep a whole pile of Ben's clothes. I don't know where Graham did with that, so I got to look for all that because I got to rewash all that stuff because it hasn't been washed in probably 4 years. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to go through all the clothes that I got her. Let's just start going through it. So here we got some outfits that I'm going to wear. Like I got this cute little dress. Like this was on clearance for $5.47, and then I had a coupon that I use. So I mean, I got a lot of stuff super cheap. I mean, this is a sweater she can wear this winter that I got that. So I just bought a ton. And one thing I love, look at these leggings. They're sparkly purple. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to go through all these clothes and start washing them and then hanging them up so I can get everything prepared. I mean, I even got her a winter jacket that she can wear. Not this winter, but next winter she can wear it. So I got her a nice jacket. And then what I do is I bought these when I had Ben, because I had so much clothes. These are just like those little tags that you guys would see if you shop at the store. And what I do is I write what size the clothes are. So right now I'm going to have a pile that says 0 to 3 months. So I'm going to write 0 to 3 months on here. And then I'll get another one that says 3 to 6. And then 6 to 9, and then 12 months. And then I think I started doing this when Ben was about 1.5 years, so he's got the other tags in his room. But that's how I organize all the baby clothes, so I know what's what. So then when I put them on a hanger, we got that. I just bought some hangers, so we got that. And then I have all this stuff that I got when Walgreens had their 90% off, Target had their 90% off. So this is like all girly stuff, or these are all bath toys. So I'm actually going to put these in our bathroom that we have. I have tons of space for that stuff. I mean, here's an old something that I had for Ben, which I got to go through. But I mean, I'm just going to go through this stuff. I actually have another box of clothes downstairs for her that I need to go through. So that's what I am working on today. So I have some ambition. I got to find bed sheets. My mom bought me one thing of bed sheets, which it might be in the box. But that's what I'm going to do, is just work on baby clothes. And then this weekend, I go to a store that I buy used clothing from. It's been a while since I've been there because with Ben, with my couponing, I got a lot of stuff. But they are having a sale. Now, every store is different, but they're having a sale where if you buy 10 onesies, you get 15 free. And I don't have a lot of onesies for her, and I want to stock up on onesies all the way up to 18 months, you know, just in case anything happens, I have onesies. So that's one thing I really want to stock up on. So I'm just going to go through this. You guys start washing it, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I still have a couple other things I want to share with you guys for this week's video. But right now, that's what I'm working on right now before I sit down and relax, because I will fall asleep and then have zero ambition. So that's what I'm working on right now. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm here to share with you guys what I got done during the week. Now, As you guys see, I'm slowly working on stuff. You did see earlier that I donated a bunch of stuff, and then we also, I also started washing all of her clothes. So I got all those washed. I got them all in hangers. I just got to organize them. But right now I'm in the basement. And last week, husband and I did, well, I guess right after I filmed this, was it week 12 video, we worked on the basement a little bit and we got a lot of stuff done. I sold a chest that I've been trying to sell, and I think it looks great. I mean, it just takes time, but as the summer goes on, we're going to be down here a lot more often because it's just cooler down here, you know. But yeah, we moved some stuff, so we put all of Ben's toys right here. He was playing with it while we were cleaning, but otherwise we put all the toy box right here. We still have to go through a couple more things. And then Graham put all the totes and stuff right over there, but we did get rid of a lot of boxes. I mean, this whole thing was full of junk. We got rid of that. So these are just totes. One tote's just full of blankets. Another tote's full of like stuffed animals. So we are getting rid of it. Just slowly getting there. But yeah, this area, last time you guys watched the video, we had a lot of boxes. And we went through pretty much like all of them. Got rid of a bunch of stuff. Or condensed a bunch of stuff. But there is that. My area is still, you know, kind of where it is. And now we got all these boxes. These are all full of stockpile stuff, so I'm looking to get rid of it soon. There's that, more stockpile stuff. And then all these boxes right here are completely empty. And then we do have these boxes that I have to go through. Some of it's food, and some of it's baby stuff, and some of it's stockpile stuff. So, slowly going through that. It just takes time, but I mean, if you guys watched what my video would look like, was it back in January? I think I did it like the last day of December or whatever. It has changed drastically. It's a lot more open in here. We're going to change some lights in here. Graham got some two-way lights to make it brighter in here, so I'm looking forward to that. After we get done filming, or after I get done filming this video, I'm going to relax for a little bit because we went shopping this morning. That's why this video is posted late. But we're going to work on her room today, and we're going to work more on the basement. We just do a little bit at a time, and you guys are enjoying it because you guys are like seeing all the updates. And you guys are, I'm motivating you guys. So that is it. I mean, the basement is starting to look pretty good. I just want to get a little bit rid of more stuff. It just takes a little bit, but the toys, like I said, I'm not going through anything. My cat's being weird. My toys aren't, I'm not going through any toys until after I have the baby. I just feel more comfortable about that, but I am ready to give like a whole garbage bag full of stuffed animals to Goodwill. I'm just ready to do that, so that might come sooner, but let's go up in the baby's room so I can show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so now we're back in her room. I've messed it up a little bit because when I was showing you guys all the clothes that I got, I was kind of making piles. I made garbage, and then I had some clothes that I got on for Ben for him too. But I gotta pick up a lot of garbage. I got clothes in here for Ben. But this is a room that I'm working on today. I did not get my bathroom done at all. I will get to it. I'm thinking next week, instead of picking up and doing stuff, I just want to clean. If you guys watch Gina Schweppe, she did like a spring cleaning video, and I kind of just want to do something like that. So that's what I kind of want to work for next week, is just spring cleaning. But my cat right here has to be by my side everywhere I go. But, yeah, so just today I just want to focus on her room. I actually want to get all this crap cleared out except this thing right here. Slowly been getting sippy cups because they are discontinuing the kind that I used for Ben. So when I see them, I grab them. But this has some baby stuff in here that I got. So I'm going to organize it. And I've told you guys this before, but I want to put some stuff in here, start organizing it, get diapers all opened up, ready to go. Mostly the newborns. I gotta figure out what else I need for that, and then I know we're gonna put some other stuff in here. So working on that. And then I want to clear her bed out. I want to start putting, like, I have boxes of diapers. I want to put those all underneath the bed. I got sheets that I'm going to change out and then put some stuff in it. She won't sleep with the stuff in it that I put it, but I'm just going to put in it for now. So there's that. And then here are all the clothes that I got for her. We just went to a sale today where we got like 10 onesies, or 25 onesies for like the price of 10. So that was a good price. But what I'm going to do is organize this. I washed all these, so they're all washed, ready to go. And then I showed you guys last time that I have these little tags right here that have, my cat could not be, you know, hold on, my cat's being a little stinker. Paris, what are you doing? Can you not chew on stuff while I'm trying to do a video? Huh, my little girl? Thank you. So, but what I want to do is get all of her clothes organized, get all these hangers out of here, get this table out of here and put this out where she is, and then we're going to get rid of the wreaths and put them down in the basement. But other than that, that's what I'm going to work on today. I just want to get her room like 100%. I know I have 7 weeks left to go, but I just want to be ready and be satisfied that everything's going to go. So that's what I'm working on today. So other than that, not much else going on. It's going to be just kind of a slow day. It's kind of cold outside. So there's that. But I'm just ready to organize. And then I have all these samples too that I've gotten from samples and just stuff. So I'm going to get all this organized and put them in the totes. And then get all the paint crap out of here. Just start getting everything ready. I'm just ready to get everything ready. Don't want to pack my hospital bag yet until it's almost time, because the day I packed my bag last time, I went into labor shortly after that. So that is what I'm working on today. But other than that, that's what I'm working on. Still want to clean up a little bit. One thing I really want to still do today is we still got picture frames we're going to hang up too today. So that is what we're working on. So not much going on for that. Hold on, honey. Not much going on for that, but otherwise that is it. My kid won't leave me alone. But that is it. And then I still am waiting for my mom to make curtains. So, and then we're going to put her name on the wall probably when the weather warms up, because I need spray paint. But other than that, that is it. I will show you guys everything when everything is done. But that's just what I want to work on today. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, I just want to give you guys an update. I've been in this room for like an hour. I have not even walked out since I've finished this video. But I just want to show you guys kind of what I've been working on, just to know that I have been working on it. Because every time I do my videos, I get more motivation after I film it to do it. But I did put her crib thing in. I put her crib sheet in there. I put this breathable mesh thing that we had with Ben. I put all the diapers that are size 2s underneath the bed. We did get the table, and then I put all of Ben's clothes on the hangers, and then Graham just threw everything back in the bed, which makes me mad. And then I organized all of her clothes. So this is what I do. I just write little things. These are awesome. These things work wonders. This is one thing that I recommend for anybody who likes to buy in advance on clothes. Like, I always buy off season, and I always buy on clearance, and I kind of guess what size she's going to be in. That's what I do to save a lot of money on clothes. But I got some more stuff all organized, all ready to go. So that's what I love. But definitely get stuff like this, and then you just label them. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what we worked on so far just within the last hour since I did this. So I just again wanted to say goodbye. Say goodbye, Paris. No? Okay.
Goodbye.
So,
Goodbye.
goodbye, Benjamin. Okay, so just want to give you guys a heads up. And again, I'll see you guys all next week for week 14, maybe. See ya. Bye-bye.